Perfect, 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 perfect.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be pretty much showing you all how I installed this wig. This is a full lace wig. No, I did not make this wig this time. This wig is from Ms.Lula's hair. And this was the full lace wig, human straight hair. No, this hair wasn't curly or anything, it was bone straight. And I love the fact that the curls, like this hair was definitely able to curl, so I was super happy about that. I did get this wig in a 20-inch. I think I'm going to go in and like cut some layers and add some layers in it and then go back and curl it. But yeah, so this hair is super bomb. I think I'm going to start like full lace wigs. Like this is my first, not my first, this is my second full lace wig from Ms.Lula's hair company. And y'all, this is like literally my favorite hair company right now, seriously. So yeah, I'm all dolled up. I want to just make this quick video real quick. I'm dolled up because I'm about to go take my graduation pictures, because your girl is graduating from Savannah State. Okay, Savannah State, honey. I will be graduating December 8th, so that's why I'm all dolled up. So yeah, be sure to thumbs this video up, leave a comment down below, and yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.
So I'm pretty much just blow drying the hair with my Revlon blow dryer hairbrush. This hairbrush is bomb. I really recommend this blow dryer brush. And right here you all see me just creating the part. Now one thing I like about this wig, that I didn't really have to pluck that part. As you can see, it was pretty much like it was already plucked, but I did go in and pluck it a little bit, and I'm using my hot comb to get it super flat, so I can be able to curl it how I want and it can be able to lay how I want. So that's what I'm using the flat iron for. And I'm taking some bio silk and I'm going to be just putting that all over the hair and on top of where we flat iron, not flat iron, hot comb. So you want to hold the hair in your hand until it cools down. So you want to hold it while it's still hot, just so it can be able to keep that curl. And I'm also taking the Got To Be glue free spray, and I'm spraying that on the hair after I curl it, just so it can hold the curls a little better, because this is bone straight hair. This wasn't curly hair. So So this is just one side completed, and as you all can see, it's super curly, looks so good. So yeah, so I'm taking a wide tooth comb and just combing the curls out, and you can just see how bouncy and how curly the hair is. This hair did curl up really good, and I'm just spraying some more of that freeze spray just so I can freeze those curls. So right here I am just doing the cap method. I didn't mold it down because I didn't feel like it. So yeah, and now we're gonna put this bad boy on. I'm putting foundation on the lace per usual, and right here you all just see me just measuring it, making sure it's straight. And I am applying 3 coats of that glue. And I'm adding some concealer on the part and taking some more of that Bio Silk. And this is the final look, you guys. And I'm just going in with the wig brush and the wide tooth comb and just running my fingers through the curls because I wanted the curls to be loose. So that's what I'm doing. And this is pretty much the final look. Like I said, all information on this hair is down in my description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see y'all in my next video.